What's up, you guys? It's Maya and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. I'm so glad you made it. Today's video is for all my people balling on a budget. I got you, okay? We're gonna be making this backdrop and everything that you need you can find at the Dollar Tree. If you like these types of videos and you want to see more, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get into the video.
So for this tutorial, you're going to need a tri-fold poster board, a hot glue gun. You can use glue, but you're going to be there a while. And you need some flowers, like a lot. Even if you think you have enough, get some more. Okay, so first things first, you're going to take all of your flowers and pop off the flower heads. You don't need the stems, so you can just throw them in the trash, but make sure you pop off all of the flower heads. So now you need to cut off the rest of the stem, that way the flower will lay flat on the poster board. So right here I'm just arranging them the way I want before I glue them to make sure, for one, that I have enough flowers, and for two, I like the way that it looks before I start gluing them down. So I added a whole bunch of glue to the flower, and then I pressed and held it to the board for about 30 seconds. A lot of you are probably wondering why I have the board standing up instead of laying it down, but at first I had it laying down, and every time I would pick the board up to see what it looked like, the flowers would fall off, so it ended up just being easier to stand the board up and glue them on that way. So I was all finished, and I really didn't like the white spots in the background, but I really didn't feel like going back to the store. So this is just a little extra tip. If you have a lot of white spaces, put some glue on the petals and glue them to the board, and you'll have less white space. So I got these little Velcro sticky things. You just push them together and then peel off the back, and then you're going to want to stick it to the board and to the wall, and then you're done. So this is the way she turned out. It is super cute. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.